trying to hook that up. I would have to have it earlier than that. Damn.
What's wrong?
What do you need, kid?
Toot toot. Wait, so what does the train say?
Oh. What? Do it again.
Uh-oh, is he stuck?
Whoa.
I know, dude. Those magnets are like the strongest magnets ever.
That's really...
Are you scared? Alright, hold on. Wait, so what does the train say? Toot toot.
Did you put a new tape in there?
Yeah. I just want to get him.
Not falling out of it, getting his legs. Hey.
Will you keep an eye on him? Because I have to get further back so that I can...
Listen, what does the train say? That's right. What does it say? What does the train say?
You look cute in your chair.
Yay! Yay, trailers! Yay for trailers and Alex Whipper! Go.
What do you think of this new train set? You're sitting in your chair that Jason and John got for you.
He's a big boy, you know? Uh-oh.
Oh, Godzilla.